Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be installing TigerTough seat covers into our Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Now, something we love about TigerTough here at Upfit Supply, they provide a fantastic manual with photos that are very clear that you can check out. We're going to be following this as closely as possible, but make sure you check this out before installing your own. Here's how to uninstall the headrest of your Ram 1500. So you're going to take your seat. You can see that it's all adjustable up and down like this, forward, all that. So there's two tabs on this to actually take this out. There's one on the right side and then one on the left. You got to push both of those in while you take it out and lift it up. So that when you push them up, it'll get you past this last notch. You can pop it right out then, nice and easy. Okay, to start off with your seat covers, you're gonna reach underneath each seat here, and there should be two Velcro loops. All you're doing is just unhooking them from some hooks there. And there you go, that'll make install a lot simpler with those unhooked. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the seat of the seat. And you're just gonna, mine came with this string lock already on it, so you're gonna remove the string lock before you install. It's just gonna make things a lot easier to snake this string through the seat here. Set that there. Take your cover, set it on top here. You're gonna tuck the hook and loop in here. And then you're gonna take your string, pull back the seat there. You can pretty much see right through there. You're just gonna snake that right through. Super simple. You can reach through and grab if you need to, just to pull it a little bit to start. Don't pull it too much. You don't want to pull the string right through. And then tuck in the extra fabric here in between the factory trim and the seat. And then the same for the other side. You can take your string, pull back your seat cushion, and snake through your string. All right, and then you're gonna take the Velcro portion here, make sure you slide that all the way under. Oops, let me grab it, like this. There we go. And then I have a seat on this, the bar that adjusts the seat to go forward and backwards. You don't wanna go under that. You wanna make sure you're going in between that bar and your seat and tucking it all the way back so that way you're able to connect it on the back side here. But you can already see it's looking pretty nice. We went with the Urban Viper pattern for these seat covers. Okay, so you're gonna find your strings. All right, so when you come back here, lift up your flap there, find your strings, grab your string lock. Just gonna tuck it through the hole here on the side. It should start coming up top there. I'm just gonna pull it and lock it into place here and do it to the other side. Once you got enough string in there, grab it. All right, then I'm gonna take these and I'm just gonna pull them. Give it a little extra pull here, get it nice and tight, and then lock it in. There we go, nice. All right, then just slide our hook and loop, grab these pieces, give it a nice pull, and get those down. There we go. It gives you a nice, clean, firm, snug fit. All right, and now for the back of the seat. You're gonna take your back one. You wanna look for down by the Velcro area. There's gonna be tags that say which side it's for. Passenger, you're gonna wanna locate that one and open it up, get that ready. So you can see it also showing you there's an airbag spot that'll rip open in case the airbag needs to be deployed. The TigerTough logo here, that is gonna be on the side facing you. That's how you kind of know which way to orient these guys. So open it up, make sure your TigerTough tag is facing you, and slide it over the top of the seat back. And I love TigerTough because they make their products to fit nice and snug. Gives it a factory look once you actually get it on there. So just keep on shimmying it down a little bit at a time. Sometimes you just got to push the cushion in just a little bit on the sides here to help slide it into place. Oh, I got a little twisted when I was installing here. There we go. And at the top, you're just gonna push around the plastic trim here. Makes it look really nice. And I'm just going to continue to shimmy it down just a little bit on these sides here. And then we got some Velcro here on the back. I need to come back through onto the front side here and slide in the Velcro to come in from the back side here. So you're gonna take these tabs and just like the bottom, you're gonna tuck them underneath the bottom of the seat here to go through to the back side. Sometimes it does get a little caught up, so make sure you're sliding it through. If you got a friend with small hands, time to give them a call. Once you got those through, you're gonna go around to the back side, you yank them out. So you just gotta lift that flap up there, pull these through. Getting caught up a little bit, you can see, make sure if they got a little twisted when you're pulling them through, you untwist them so you got all this extra fabric you need there. There you go. Okay, so you're gonna take this flap here with the elastic that we unhooked, and you're just gonna kind of tuck it up into the seat there. Kind of nice, kind of eliminates that little guy there. And then you're gonna take the back part of the seat, pull firmly there, yank up, get it up all nice and attached with that hook and loop, nice and strong. And then once you've got all these three pieces secure, you're gonna take this last bottom flap, pull it right under, nice and snug, and secure the hook and loop. And there you go. Got the back part of the seat cover on. All right, and now for the headrest, you're gonna take the headrest you removed, pop it back into place here. There we go. And then again, just push that button down to adjust the height. You're gonna wanna make sure you leave yourself some space to be reaching under. Grab your headrest cover, open it up. These are universal. You're taking the headrest cover here. You want that flap in the front and slide it over the top here. And again, just shimmy it down. Just be careful because you're kind of yanking on it again because you've got such a great fit. All right, once you got that on there, tuck that portion through and bring it around. There we go. Make sure to adjust the seat rest to kind of how you want it. And there you go. Got a installed passenger side seat cover for your Ram 1500. Looks fantastic. All right, so and for the driver's side, the exact same thing, just for the other side. Gonna be installing the base, the back, headrest, and that'll do it for this install for these TigerTough seat covers on our Ram 1500. For seat covers like this that keep your truck work ready at all times, check out upfitsupply.com. I'm Johnny, have a good one.